Are you tired of lying on the floor, doing endless crunches, and feeling like your core workouts aren't paying off? What if I told you that you could build a powerful, balanced core without ever getting down on the ground? That's right. Standing core exercises are a game changer. Not only do they target your abs, but they also engage your back, hips, and legs, improving your overall strength and stability. Plus, they mimic real-life movements, making them practical and functional for your everyday activities. In this video, we're diving into 10 dynamic standing core exercises that will not only redefine how you train your core, but also make your workouts more accessible, efficient, and fun. No floor, no excuses. Let's get started. Why standing core exercises work. Before we jump into the exercises, let's talk about why standing core exercises are so effective. Full body engagement. Unlike traditional floor exercises, standing moves recruit multiple muscle groups simultaneously, including your abs, back, hips, and legs. Improved balance and posture. Standing core exercises challenge your stability, training your body to stay upright and aligned. Skills that translate directly to better posture and reduced injury risk. Convenience and versatility. No need for a mat, no worries about dirty floors. Standing exercises can be done anytime, anywhere. So whether you're looking to tone your abs, enhance your mobility, or just spice up your fitness routine, these exercises are for you. Exercise number 1. Standing Oblique Crunches. Let's kick things off with Standing Oblique Crunches, a fantastic move to sculpt your waist and improve lateral stability. How to do it. Stand tall with feet hip-width apart, hands behind your head, and elbows wide. Lift your right knee toward your right elbow, crunching your side. Lower with control and switch sides. Pro tip, keep your core engaged throughout the movement and avoid rushing, quality over quantity. Reps, 2 to 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps per side. Exercise number 2, wood chop with resistance band. Mimicking real-life twisting motions, this move builds rotational strength and functional fitness. How to do it. Anchor a resistance band at waist height. Stand side on to the anchor, feet shoulder width apart. Grab the free end of the band with both hands, arms extended. Pull the band diagonally across your body, rotating your torso, then return to the start. Reps, 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps per side. Exercise number 3, standing knee to elbow cross crunch. This exercise hits your entire core while enhancing balance and flexibility. How to do it. Stand with feet hip width apart and hands behind your head. Lift your right knee toward your left elbow, twisting your torso. Lower with control and repeat on the other side. Pro tip, maintain good posture. Don't hunch your back. Reps, 2 to 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps per side. Exercise number 4, single leg deadlift with twist. Combine balance, stability, and core engagement with this powerful move. How to do it. Stand on one leg with a slight bend in the knee. Hinge at the hips to lower your torso forward, extending your opposite leg behind you. At the lowest point, twist your torso toward the standing leg, then return to the start. Reps, 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps per side. Exercise number 5, overhead press with knee lift. Build upper body strength while challenging your core and balance. How to do it. Stand with feet hip-width apart, holding dumbbells at shoulder height. Press the weights overhead while lifting your right knee toward your waist. Lower with control and repeat on the opposite side. Reps, 2 to 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps per side. Exercise number 6, standing windmills. This move strengthens the obliques and enhances flexibility. How to do it. Stand with feet wider than shoulder width apart, one arm extended overhead. Hinge at the hips to lower your torso to the side, sliding your free hand down your leg. Return to the start and repeat. Reps, 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps per side. Exercise number 7, standing side bend with weight. Perfect for toning the obliques and improving mobility. How to do it. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, holding a dumbbell in one hand. Bend your torso to the side, lowering the weight toward your knee. Return to the start and switch sides. Reps, 2 to 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps per side. Exercise number 8, rotational step back lunge. This move combines lower body strength with core activation. How to do it. Stand with feet hip width apart, hands clasped in front of your chest. Step back into a lunge and rotate your torso toward the front leg. Return to the start and switch sides. Reps, 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps per side. Exercise number 9, standing pike crunch. Target your upper and lower abs with this dynamic movement. How to do it. Stand with feet hip width apart, arms extended overhead. Lift one leg straight out while reaching both arms toward your toes. Lower with control control and switch sides. Pro tip, keep movements slow and controlled, no momentum. Reps, 2 to 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps per side. Exercise number 10, wall-supported hollow body hold, a fantastic finisher to build core stability. How to do it? Stand facing a wall, hands pressed against it at shoulder height. Tilt your pelvis forward, engaging your core and creating a hollow body shape. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds, focusing on your posture. Reps, 2 to 3 sets. Standing core exercises aren't just an alternative. They're a smarter way to train your body. With these 10 moves, you'll not only strengthen your core, but also enhance your balance, posture, and overall functional fitness. If you're ready to take your workouts to the next level, try these exercises and let us know how they work for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more game-changing fitness tips. Let's stand tall, get strong, and keep moving forward together.